Hi everybody, this is my cat and I love it and it's doing work with me. I love it so much. One of my favorite things about online school is about my cat. I get to play with it in my lessons. It sits with me and helps me to learn. Right now we're doing math. And my cat makes me super duper happy. I'm doing a math lesson now. Now I'm going to give my kitty some treats. Good.
Why do fractions like football? Oh, they love Avalanche. Okay. I thought it was because there's the halftime. Ha ha ha. Okay. Hey friends, get out your math workbook. And we're going to look at comparing fractions. Like, how will we know if they're bigger or smaller? But notice that, like, if you often that they travel back. Hey, Connor, what's your question? This one's divided into 1/4, and this one's divided into 1/3. So which one's better? Knows that, right? I mean, if your mom makes cookies and there's just you and your mom, do you get more cookies?